guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then it's Luli. Hi, how are you all? So I'm super excited for this video. वैसे आपको तो पता चल गया होगा कि क्या है इस वीडियो में. So yeah, this is going to be zodiac sign get ready. इंटरनेट पे यानी गूगल पे प्रिंटेस्ट पे ऐसे कई सारे चार्ट्स है जिसपे ज़ोडिएक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ज़ोडिएक साइन यू कैन पिक योर हेयर स्टाइल, मेकअप, आई लुक, लिपस्टिक, आउटफिट एंड सो मैनी थिंग्स. सो या एंड ऐसे कई और भी वीडियोस है इंडियंस ने भी किए हुए और फॉरेनर यूट्यूबर्स ने भी किए हुए हैं. सो या आज हम भी करेंगे ये वीडियो. और माई ज़ोडिएक साइन अकॉर्डिंग टू माई नेम इज Virgo and according to my birth date it's Pisces. So for today's video we are going to follow this zodiac sign Virgo, means जो भी चार्ट में Virgo से होगा वो हम फॉलो करेंगे आज. एंड या इसका जो मेकअप है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है नॉर्मल पीपल से ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. आप देखेंगे आगे वीडियो में. सो या और लंबा नहीं करूँगी इंट्रो क्योंकि हो जाएगा वीडियो ही लंबा. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, subscribe my channel and also hit bell notification button so you get notified each and every time when I post such videos. So let's go and have full video. So for the first we are going to start with eye look and I will insert the pic over here what is going to which eye look is going to be happen. So I'm going to fast forward this video because if I don't then it will become so big and that I don't want. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward this video. So guys, eyes are done. Now move to hairstyle. Um, in my zodiac sign, my hairstyle is quite pretty simple and cute. So I will go off the camera and make a quick hairstyle. Then I will come back again. And after that, after completing full face, lipstick and all, I will give close up to my eye look. As you know, we are not professional or not expert or not learned about anything about makeup, so I have made so many mistakes in this, but what is it is. So yeah, I'm not going to change anything or redo my makeup again. So जैसा है वैसा है, we have to accept that just because we are not experts. So quick back in some few minutes. So yeah. So guys, I'm back with my hairstyle. Yeah, it was just simple to buns. So yeah, now most interesting part of this makeup is lips. I will insert the pic over here what mine is. So my lipstick shade is pretty jet black. So I don't have any black. Obviously we maybe most of all don't have any black lipstick. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to use this my gel eyeliner. Hope it is safe. I think it is safe because anything near to eyes must be have to save just because it is so close to eyes, otherwise it is going to damage your vision. So maybe it is safe to have on lips, not to eat. So I will try to avoid that, avoid not to have it. So obviously I am not going to have it because I am not going to keep this for such long. So yeah, hope it will not damage anything or not give any allergic reaction. So yeah. So guys, comment down below that what do you think if someone wears black lipstick on the road or anywhere near to you. If I see someone in black lipstick, I literally think that that person is crazy, because I don't think that black lipstick is much more wearable. You can have it on your eye. In fact, I will don't mind if some, obviously I'm not going to mind if anyone wearing black, but if someone is in purple or parrot, I will don't think that that person is quite crazy. But yeah, if it is black, then I even don't know that if any brand do make black shade of lipstick. If you guys know, then please comment down below so I can have GK. Maybe I know one, maybe Jeffree Star has black shade lipstick, but any other than that, I don't know. So yeah, my lips are done. What do you think, guys? So yeah, our makeup is done. Zodiac, according zodiac sign related. What do you think, guys? Please do comment. Please do comment down below that what do you think about this look? Funny, crazy. I don't know. I don't think that eyes and lips are going well together, but this is what my zodiac sign chart tell me to do. Oh, yeah. So now close up for the eyes. Don't judge me, okay? Please don't judge me in this. Can you see that? Yeah, we are not professional. Over here too, I made slight mistake. So yeah, this is our full face of makeup. I look like villain in cartoon villain, obviously. So this is for the today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed looking me transforming myself in a clone or cartoon comic villain. So please make sure to hit the like button on if you really enjoy, and hope how much I enjoyed creating this, so you also enjoy having look on it. And don't forget to turn on notification bell button over down below, just up near to subscribe button, so you get notified every single time when I create myself in a comic villain. So yeah, and please do subscribe me. And we are soon going to have giveaway, as I have say in my handmade earrings video, that if we hit 50 or 100, I don't exactly remember. So yeah, we are near to 15, so maybe we are going to have giveaway. If it's 100, then please be subscribed to my channel, so we can have giveaways very soon. So yeah, and that's all. stay safe. Until then, bye bye.